Are you tired of adding countless indicators to your chart only to get a faulty entry signal that puts you at disadvantage, that makes you lose your money? Well, today I have great news for you. Me and my team have put out the first indicator for TradingView. It is available for all of the members of my trading team. So if you're not that yet, it is time to become it right now. Not only you're gonna get access to this indicator, but you're also gonna get access to countless trading videos. You're gonna get access to trading sessions with me and my team every single day from Monday to Sunday. You're gonna get access to trading database of knowledge that you will be able to access at any point of the week. And of course, you're gonna get access to trading robots, trading tutorials, trade news. Basically, you're gonna surround yourself with everything that is needed to become a profitable trader, and we provide you with content every single day. So click that link in the description below or send me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro. But now let me go ahead and show you what type of indicator we've come up with and how easy it is to use when you are just a beginner or already a seasoned trader. This tool will help you make a decision, and it's going to be a great decision. So let's go into it. All right, so here we are on TradingView, and this is pretty much the entire indicator. You get a sell or a buy position printed on top or below the candles, and that will tell you what you need to know. And you have also a moving average showing you the direction of the trend, where it's going, and this really helps you understand what's going on and what the projected price action is going to be for this chart specifically. Now, don't get it confused. Even though this indicator does look like fractal, it uses completely different analysis than fractal. This indicator itself has 30 indicators built into it: MACD, RSI, stochastic. This indicator averaging the readings from all of those indicators and gives you a signal on the candles that actually matter. So as you can see right here, as the price started to consolidate, there was no signal. Currently we're on 3-minute time frame. There was no signal on any of these, but as soon as there was confirmation that the price is going to start going down, we got a sell position printed on the candle over and over again. And that is pretty much it. You wait for the candle close, you wait for the signal on the candle, and then you place your trade. So let's go ahead. We have 1 minute and 55 seconds to find an asset that we want to trade on. And as always, first step for you is to find an asset with a good situation and a good payout. So let's go ahead and do that. As always, I am looking for a good payout, which is above 80%, and this is what we're gonna try to find. And we also want a stable situation. We have a sideways market right here. This is not really that good. There's not many assets nowadays to pick from. The markets are in stress from all of the things that Trump is doing once again, bringing chaos to the world. We don't need it and we don't like it. So let's go with Euro Swiss franc. So let's select it, let's type it in here, and let's see it. Let's see, we have 59 seconds, so let's skip to this candle closing and let's see which position we're going to take on the next one. And here it is, our candle is about to be closed, and we're gonna see if we get a signal printed on the next candle, and that's pretty much it. And let's look at it. It's a sell position, so let's go ahead and place $1,000 on a sell position for this trade, and that is pretty much it. We got a 3-minute trade pending for now. I'm gonna do a couple of 1-minute trades as well, but for now we are good. And as the price goes up, I want to drop more, 2,000 more to offset in case we actually take a loss on these two. But we got our signal. We have $3,000 put on this trade, and that is pretty much it. The indicator does everything for you. It provides you with a simple sell or buy position that you want to take or not to take, and that is it. That's all you need to know. This is a very simple tool, and this can reinforce your own analysis. For example, you're performing your own analysis, you've came to the point where you need to place a trade, but you are not entirely sure. You just go, you put this indicator on your chart, you adjust the time frame. So if you want to go for 10 minutes, you select 10 minutes. If you want to go higher than that, you can do that as well. You can go to 1 hour, and you're gonna get a signal on each candle that actually matters. So for now, we're on 3 minutes, so let's go back to it. And now let's observe and let's wait and see if we're able to secure a win. And there it is. Just look at that, boys. Look at that. We're securing all the wins. This is $800 on our first trade, and for sure we're getting the rest of these trades, even the ones that we placed as a safe option, we're still getting them in. This is the strength of this indicator, and just like that, we're making all the profit with ease. This is our first trade, and already we're generating so much profit. This is to $2.4 thousand just off a single trade with this one small indicator. That's how it's done. Now let's go to 1 minute. Let's once again look for the asset that we want to trade on, and let's find that one that will bring us more profit, right? Let's go. Now let's look at Australian dollar Swiss franc. Let's see what the situation looks like and what the chart is telling us. Right now we have no signal from the indicator. So what are my steps? I'm simply going to wait for the indicator to give me, and right now I can just look at the situation and see what's going on. So obviously we have sideways movement here. We are hitting a level currently right now, and we have a pretty strong area of support. And let's actually add a rectangle here instead of the line, because we want to see the entire area that is the area of our interest, and this is exactly it right here. So we're looking to place a trade off of this area because the price is currently retesting it, and as you can see we are about to get the signal. Let's observe and see if we get a buy position or a sell position, and depending on that we are going to go in, and still nothing. So we wait, we continue waiting until we actually get a signal, and there it is. This is looking like a sell signal. However, I'm not gonna enter because the candle is already 15 seconds in, and we're just getting a signal mid candle, and I don't want to go in on this one because there is probably going to be a rejection, just like you see on these candles right here. So I don't want to risk money entering mid candle with so much rejection right here. So you should wait for the candle, for a fresh candle to close, and if you still get the same signal, then you can place your trade. However, do not do that in the middle of the candle. So let's wait and see how this plays out, and in 15 or 16 seconds we're gonna see if we go in on this trade or not. Still a sell position, so let's drop a I actually forgot to change. Well, that's not good. So we're gonna have a 3-minute trade. Well, this is what happens when you don't pay attention. I accidentally placed a 3-minute trade instead of a 1 minute, and the price did go down. That is unfortunate. I was going for 1 minute, and let's look at 3 minutes. Let's see if we've done a mistake, and potentially we could have done a mistake here, because as you can see, the last signal that we got was a buy position. So we could have been in trouble here as the price starts to go down for 1 minute. So as you can see how much it's differentiating between the time frames. On 1 minute we are a strong sell position. However, for 3 minutes it is already looking like there is no clear signal. This is a tool that will really help you start understanding the difference between time frames and how the price acts between these time frames. But let's wait. We have 500 placed on this trade. We could have been done already with the trade and made quite a bit of money here, but unfortunately I placed a 3-minute trade instead of 1 minute. So let's see it play out, but it seems like everything is good, and the price does continue going down. So the signal is correct, and let's see the outcome of it. And beautiful trade once again, strong signal from the indicator. We could have made so much money on this one, but that was my mistake. I was talking too much, wasn't paying attention, saw the signal, entered. I should have changed it, but now we're good. And let's actually do a 1-minute trade on one of the charts, and that's going to be one of the final trades we do. Euro Australian dollar doesn't look like a great chart to trade on, but let's go ahead and see if we can do it anyway. Selected Euro Australian dollar, and we have a buy position. We're gonna wait for 30 seconds and see if the buy position persists. If it's not, we are going to wait for the signal to come in. Once again, make sure that everything is ready for your entry. Make sure that you have the correct time frame set, make sure that you have the correct amount set, and wait for that signal from the indicator. Once again, there's 30 indicators built into this, so the signals that this indicator is giving are precise. They're precise. Obviously not every single trade you're gonna win, but this is a very strong tool to go along with your analysis. And there it is, let's see it. We still have a buy position, so let's drop 500 here and let's wait for a little bit. And there is the price drop I've been waiting for, so let's place 1,000 here, and just like that we are offsetting the initial entry. However, I do believe that the price will continue climbing up here. There's pretty strong pressure, pretty bullish impulse right here going into it, so we are looking at the price continuing its journey upwards, and we are here for it to secure our final trade. Just like that, guys. Once again, this trading tool is available for all of the members of my team. This indicator is available for everybody who is a member. So if you're looking to improve your trading, if you're looking for the tools that will help you generate profit daily, that will help you go into the market undefeated, this is the one as well for you. Make sure to send me a message on Telegram at NTrade_pro and get yourself this one to just start absolutely smashing the markets. And you can already see that everything playing out exactly how we need it. We might lose the first one, but it doesn't matter ultimately, because the bottom ones is where we make our stand. And oof, we got it. I think we got it. We got it. That was close. That was really close, but we got the money. There it is, guys. We went into the market. We made $3.7 thousand just like that with a simple tool. We went in at 1709, spent 8 minutes in the market, came out with a lot of profit, and that's what the indicator does. You just put it on your chart and you follow the signals from it. You wait for the candle close. You see if the signal is there. You place a trade. If you do your own analysis, that is going to be even better. But if you're struggling with performing your own analysis, now is the time to join my trading group, becoming a member and actually learning how to do it. Just putting simple support and resistance lines, being able to spot those areas where the price is either getting rejected or either getting support, that is so important to you to start placing your own trade. And I want you to pay close attention, because you don't need a lot of knowledge to start trading. You do need a lot of knowledge to actually turn that into your living. However, to start making good money every single day, maybe $50, $100 every single day, that doesn't require you to have extensive knowledge of trading. You just have to have consistency. You need a system that's gonna work, and you need discipline. If you have those three things in place, you're gonna have a good time in the market, and that is really, really important. If you take one of those things out of the equation, everything falls apart immediately. So make sure that you have a system, that you have consistency and discipline, and stick to those rules every single day. And if you want to learn how to do that, and if you want to find your system that will suit you, then check out my trading group. The link is in the description below. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to check out this indicator out. Once again, it's for all of the members of my trading group. It is available on TradingView right now, so check it out. Let us know the results, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.